Welcome to this very simple car tutorial. It's a quick sketch having a grey lid, your finger to smudge with, and an eraser. I think drawing cars is really hard. I struggle so much with drawing cars, so I decided let's work on it. Let's make it better. There's still a lot that I need to fix up and tweak, but hey, that's why we're here. That's why we're here, to get better. So follow along, and yeah, hope you enjoy.